Hey guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. Today's project, we're going camping at Lake Cumberland. Let's get started. So today we're camping at Lake Cumberland in the Lake Cumberland State Resort Campground. And Lake Cumberland is in what county?
Pulaski, I think.
Pulaski. I have no idea.
Is it Pulaski or Pulaski?
I think it's Pulaski. Anyway, this is our campground for a few days here in Pulaski County. This campsite is pretty small. We cut in about, it was after dark last night, set up. We were surprised at how small this campsite was. A little bit disappointed, but we've got it all set up.
Oh, God.
You crack yourself up, don't you?
I still got it.
Anyway, we got set up. It's a little bit downhill sloped, and as you can see on the backside, it's a little sketchy. I had to pull down this far in order to be able to fit the truck on the pad, so got my jacks up a little high in the back. Hopefully nothing rolls over the hill. Just in case my chocks don't hold, we got her chained to the truck. So it's rained on us a little bit today. We decided to come out and do a little driving around, see what we could see. We're up at the Lure Lodge. Getting ready to check out the overlook, looking over the state dock.
Should have brought our tennis rackets. The Kindle recreation area. Whoa. Scenic view.
Can you make it down here?
You want to go down? Yeah, it's pretty steeper down there.
I'd say. Okay.
You want to hold me here? Are we going to get rained on?
It's possible.
There's a pretty little flower. Can you see it?
Now, what did you say about what county this was in?
I thought it was Pulaski, but it's actually, did I tell you Russell County?
Russell County.
I was wrong.
Not Pulaski.
Not Pulaski or Pulaski.
How much wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck could chuck with?
How much?
A lot.
Empties into the Cumberland River. Depending on the time of year, the water temperature ranges from 65 degrees to a chilly 40 degrees. That's great for trout, but after a day spent working with the fish in the raceway,
Oh my goodness.
It's big, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, that's because all he has to do is eat and sleep.
Yeah.
He doesn't get a lot of exercise. We try to exercise him each afternoon, but he doesn't get a lot. There's fish food in here, and he likes the smell of it, and he will. Gonna get it? No, he's gonna.
That's awesome. He didn't say.
You know what that is?
scared me to death.
Do they think they're gonna see them?
Probably.
Hi.
You're almost ready about size for release.
Yeah, they probably have one.
Yep. 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 So we're at the Creelsboro Arch. Gonna check this place out. Short hike, long drive. So we're over at the state dock. I'm gonna walk around on the dock and check out a few things. See if we can see anything interesting. Time for a little putt-putt.
Oh, you did awesome. Wow.
That was pretty funny.
All that practicing at the beginning paid off.
That's what it was.
Yes. Tap it in. Just tap it in. Tap it in.
Nice.
That would have been nice. Trust me, this is hard. one. Forward. Yes, that little thing helped it in.
Yeah.
Okay. There's another one coming. See it?
No.
Stop. See it?
Oh yeah. It's a buck. So it's actually the next day. We've already packed up and came home. We had to come home a little early, cut it a little short. We had a good time. The campground at Lake Cumberland is pretty nice. Needs a few updates, but other than that, we had a really good time. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Comment down in the comments section and let us know what you thought about the campground. Appreciate you watching. See you guys.